Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to check, enable, or disable trim for SSDs on Windows 11. So trim is an essential maintenance command that ensures that the hard drive on your computer remains fast and healthy over time. Unlike traditional hard drives with rotating platters, SSDs cannot simply overwrite all data. They must erase blocks before writing new information. Trim tells the storage which specific blocks of data are no longer in use so that the drive can clean them up in the background. This feature is important to maintain speed, as without trim, the solid-state drive will slow down because it would have to perform quick modified writes cycles every time you save files. By organizing data efficiently, the feature reduces unnecessary wear on the drive's flash memory cells. Windows 11 is designed to handle trim automatically on a weekly schedule, but you can check whether this feature is enabled, and you can manage the support, and you can even run it manually. Quick fact, even though you will often see it written in all capital letters, trim doesn't actually stand for anything. Okay, first we're going to check whether trim is enabled on Windows 11. And to do that, we're going to open Command Prompt or the terminal. In my case, I'm going to use a terminal. I'm going to right click on it and select the Run as Administrator option. Now, to check whether trim is enabled, we're going to run this command. Now, if you see the feature with the value of 0, it means that trim is enabled. If you see the value as 1, then the feature is disabled. Now, to enable trim support for SSDs on Windows 11, we can run this command and then press enter. Now, we can verify by running this command. And as you can see, NTFS is set to 0. Now, if you want to disable the feature, we need to run the same command as the one that we used to enable the feature, but we're going to use the value of 1 instead of 0, and then press enter. And now trim has been disabled on Windows 11. You can confirm that the feature is enabled by running this command. And as you can see, trim appears as disabled because the value of 1 is set right here. Now, let me clear the screen. Now, if you want to run trim manually on your computer, then we need to switch to PowerShell. Let me clear the screen, and then we're going to run this command. In here, make sure to specify the drive letter for the drive that you want to optimize. In this case, I'm using C, and then press enter. Trim usually just takes a few seconds to a few minutes. It shouldn't take long. One thing that I wanted to point out is that you can also use the graphical user interface to run trim on the different drives on your computer. And to do that, just go to this PC on File Explorer and then right-click on the drive that you want to optimize, click on Properties, then go to Tools, and then click on Optimize. And from here, when you click the Optimize button, the feature is going to actually run the trim command on the hard drive instead of using the legacy defragmentation tool. Now, one last thing that I wanted to point out is that technically speaking, you don't have to worry about running trim on your computer because Windows 11 does it automatically. However, there might be some situations where you might have to run this optimization manually. For example, if you just uninstall a game of about 150 gigabytes or deleted a massive folder with all videos, running trim immediately tells the SSD controller right away that those blocks are free. This ensures that the next big download or file transfer happens at maximum speed. And that's it. That is how you check, enable, and disable trim for SSDs on Windows 11. And I also show you the different ways that you can use to run trim on a hard drive. And that's it. Leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.